You are watching The First. I'm not sure what I was the first at, but I certainly did it before everyone else.
What you are about to see is a Foley sound project. What that basically means is it's a short film where no sound was added outside of stock sound effects. You'll notice that it's actually me in the video, so it's kind of interesting in that aspect. I tried to make a plot that would work, mainly focusing around sound, so hopefully you enjoy my version of the Foley sound project. Hey, I hope you really enjoyed watching that. It took a lot of time and effort to make that a few years ago, and it took a lot of confidence to upload it now. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm the first, and hopefully this is not the last you'll be hearing of me. So thanks for watching.